वो सिक्योरिटी चेक के साथ में हुआ। वहाँ पे मैं सिक्योरिटी चेक करके जैसे ही निकली तो दूसरे कैबिन में जो महिला थी, वो सुरक्षा कर्मचारी थी, CISF की, उन्होंने उनके पास या उनको क्रॉस करने का इंतज़ार किया और साइड से आकर जो मुझे मेरे फेस पे हिट किया और गालियाँ देने लगी। और जब मैंने उनको पूछा कि उन्होंने ऐसा क्यों किया, तो उन्होंने कहा कि वो फार्मर्स प्रोटेस्ट को जो है वो सपोर्ट करती हैं और आई एम सेफ। बट माई कंसर्न इज़ कि जो आतंकवाद और उग्रवाद पंजाब में बढ़ रहा है, हाउ डू यू डू
Kangana Ranaut has been slapped allegedly by a CISF constable at the Chandigarh airport, and now an inquiry has been ordered by the CISF. The matter has really taken political colours because after the slapgate, allegedly the CISF lady constable in question said that she was provoked by the comments that Kangana had previously made about Punjabi ladies and the farmer agitation. Now, what do we know about the sequence of events so far? What we know is that around 3:30 this incident happened. Kangana Ranaut, who is the newly elected MP from Mandi in Himachal Pradesh, reached the Chandigarh airport to take a Vistara flight to Delhi. When she was going to the SAH area or the frisking area, the CISF constable Kulvinder Kaur carried out her frisking, and soon after she slapped Kangana. At the spot, Kangana's own political advisor was present and he tried to retaliate and slap the CISF constable back. The others present controlled the situation. The CISF constable was then escorted to the room of the senior most officer of the CISF present at the airport, the commandant, and there she was questioned. A debriefing was carried out. Kangana meanwhile was escorted towards the Vistara flight which took off at 4:10. She landed in Delhi and she said that she's going to take up this matter with the Union Home Ministry. CISF, we are told, DG rank officials were also informed by the commandant at the Chandigarh airport. Senior officers were all looped in about this incident and what has really happened. Taking cognizance, an inquiry has been ordered, like I said, but this raises several important questions. The inquiry will look into the mental health of the CISF constable in question. Is she fit enough to be a uniformed personnel? Anybody who can't control his or her emotions cannot be given a duty like a central paramilitary force. So that will definitely be something that the inquiry committee will look at. They will also look at, after speaking to eyewitnesses and the accused as well as the victim, in this case Kangana, as to whether there was any provocation or this attack was completely unprovoked. Kangana, like I said, is an MP elect, but she is also a central government security protectee. She holds Y+ security cover. CRPF personnel, 11 of them, guard her all the time. So the question that rises is that if a central protectee, if an MP elect, if a famous film personality can get slapped in a secured zone like an airport, what does that say about the safety protocols that are in place for common people? So this is a big question for CISF also. I think once the inquiry is over, Kulvinder Kaur could face suspension or even termination, and if Kangana Ranaut and her team so wants, they can even go ahead and file a criminal complaint of assault against her. For now, it's an embarrassing moment for the CISF, which will be looking at whether the standard operating protocol, the SOPs which are in place, need a relook, need an overhaul. If there needs to be any fresh training and mental health checkup for its personnel on duty, all of that will be done by the CISF. But for now, I think Kangana Ranaut will be here in Delhi. She will attend the NDA Parliamentary Party meeting in Parliament, which is supposed to happen at 11:30 on Thursday, or rather on Friday. So we'll have to wait and see how that goes, where Kangana's team really decides to take this case further. She, like I said, has said that she'll take the matter up with Ministry of Home Affairs. Politics has also broken out on the story. Priyanka Chaturvedi, the Shiv Sena UBT faction member of Parliament in Rajya Sabha, was the first to tweet, saying that this just shows that the comments Kangana made has led to this kind of a situation. And she also asked that the reason that she was given the ticket from Mandi, was it not because of the controversial comments that she has made? So such politics that is happening will of course be condemned by the BJP, but we'll have to wait and watch if this politics or the political comment by Priyanka Chaturvedi is just one-off, or there will be more such comments on Kangana and how this matter proceeds investigation-wise from here on.